so messed up about the game is they'll lower the gas prices so that way we can move around, so to speak. Ain't nobody making money on it. They can't go nowhere. But the things that's essential, like food, they raise the taxes on the food. You have to get the food. So damn, you can't make our money that way. You sure can get them on food. Man, this crazy. Hey man, it's crazy out here, man. Like it's dog eat dog. Like you don't really see what's going on, but it's just gonna be rich and poor. Like they gonna make the system where you gonna be at the top or you gonna be at the bottom. Ain't no fucking middle. You know what I mean? Ain't no middle ground. You used to be able to show your middle ground, but the middle ground were those that had nice credit. They didn't really have no money. They had nice credit, nice degrees. You know, oh man, they can live like this. But now life has hit them. They ain't got no savings. Their ass went from living good to poor. You know what I mean? So keep your eyes open, man. It's real out here today, man. Life is real. We got to count all our blessings. HogOn.